Razor Blade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Yeah, for all those people who always watch my video, them, thanks for watching. If you at the end of this video, I want to give it a big like and share with everybody. Tell a friend to subscribe.
So dog, what really I go?
You know one girl over there right now?
Me ask dog if me.
One girl over there right. Come in, man, you.
Channel?
Yeah.
I know her then, man.
Yo, she look good enough?
I'm afraid. She not even know because you first see me in rush off like.
For all the guys who always ask me about this, I hope all of now watch this happy there. How to approach a female. First thing you do, give her the look. You get her attention. So you see that the coil? Me have her attention, she a pray me. So you know me I gonna do know that. Me a go for that. Just fix up yourself, make sure you're clean. Breath on fleek. On fleek. Can I have a seat?
No.
Come over and see. Let me have a seat, man. Yo, just go over. Yo. Sure. First thing, you have to be persistent. Whole heap of girls are going to tell you no matter your first try for everything. But sometimes that know they means try a little harder. So you see in this case, I try harder.
I thought you.
So I cut this video for a public service announcement. Our body look good. So you know what I have to do?
Low key.
Okay then. You have a boyfriend? Nah, nigga, you just see the girl. What do you mean by she have a boyfriend? You don't know nothing about her. Ask her friggin' name. Yo! Look at that again. So what's your name? Yes!
My name is Gabriel.
Oh.
What's yours?
My name is Ebola.
Ebola.
Yeah, you don't know Ebola, that's my first name. Ebola Zika-v.
Zika-v.
Yeah, my name is Ebola Zika-v. What? That sound weird to you or something? You know, place something nice though. Can I go for a little walk? Like inside here?
Sure.
Alright. I see you way over there to sit down and you just look. You not really say you're lonely or anything, just look like you did one little conversation or something. So just go over there and talk to you. I like your eyes, I like your body, I like your physique, I like everything I see so far.
Thanks.
And before I forget, you have to use compliments. Women love compliments, nigga. That's the only way you get in there. Well, you know me at that. Back to the video. Yeah, so I just really want to tell you something like you and stuff. I'm hoping I get offended by that already. You know, when say first time I see them, I know why if you have no bad assumptions for me and them shit, you know? And I'm hoping I really have a problem with me access much question and all them shit they still. But you just know you don't like you, I just have to tell you before me go. So me I say, I don't have a problem with that.
No. You have a girlfriend?
I don't wanna go there.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, so the phone cut. Can I get the phone number?
Sure.
Alright. They call me old Nokia. Joke.
Two 5'7". 85, 84.
And I should save your number as.
Gabby.
Alright, yeah, so. Take care of yourself. So we'll see you next time.
Bye. You know, I feel like I like you.
Yeah.
Maypen Police Station. How may I help you?